Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blessed head and hair of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is narrated by Anas that the blessed head of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was broad. It is narrated by Ali Murtada that the blessed head of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was broad and formed in symmetrical manner. Narrated by Bara ibn Azib, there was no person whose hair fall into the lower side of ears and looks more beautiful than the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the red shawl. Hibban 6284. Narrated by Bara ibn Azib that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was of medium height, having broad shoulders, with his hair hanging down on the lobes of his ears, and never have I seen anyone more handsome than Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muslim 6064. It is narrated by Anas ibn Malik that the hair of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was neither very curly nor very straight, and they hung over his shoulders and earlobes. Muslim 6067. It is narrated by Anas ibn Malik that the hair of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached half of the earlobe. Muslim 6069. It is narrated by Jabir bin Mut'im that the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had profound hair, which are in plenty. The hair of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was nor curly nor straight, rather in between. Bad said that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not have short hair, which would make the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam defective. His hair was glossy and black, inclined to curl. Narrated by Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa that she used to comb his hair and formed hair parting. Tabrani al-Asad 1219. Narrated by Imam Majah that Mother of Believers Hadrat Aisha Siddiqa used to form hair parting from the center of head and front hair. She put them on his forehead. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa that the hair of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam were below the ears and above the shoulders. Tabrani al-Awsat 1039. Hibban 6291. Wama tawfiqi illa billah.